colonic help with bloating? Yes, absolutely, colonic can help with bloating. Why does it help with bloating? Because as we remove old fecal matter, it empties the colon out and allows the air to easier leave the colon. You can imagine your colon being blocked up with fecal matter makes it very hard for that air to actually get out. Of course, we also need to look at the reason why is the air there in the first place. Is this an ongoing problem or an occasional problem? There could be, for example, certain bacteria that is not supposed to be in your belly that is causing this problem. Or there could be candida causing extra bloating. Or it could be as simple as you're eating gluten when you are gluten intolerant. Now, if the session itself does not fix the problem, we can definitely find a solution for you after the session. So if you have any bloating issue, come and see us and we can certainly help you with it.